In this week's Rivian news, we will be talking about Rivian's new production VP staff hire, as they struggle to ramp up production to 200 vehicles a week. Also, Rivian gets a shoutout from US President Biden, with the Secretary of Transportation Plan's visit to Rivian factory in Normal. Hi, welcome to Everything Rivian and Cybertruck, where you'll be getting all the latest updates on the announced Tesla Cybertruck, and new electric vehicle company Rivian, with their newly released Rivian R1T and R1s. If you enjoy our content, please let us know in the comments section below, and why not support us by hitting that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon as well so you'll be the first to know each time we release a new video. It's free. Rivian is making a change at one of its top manufacturing positions, as it continues production ramp-up in Normal and prepares to begin construction of a second plant in Georgia. Tim Fallon joined Rivian as Vice President of Manufacturing on Monday, based at the plant in Normal, the company said in a statement. Fallon previously worked at Nissan, where he was Vice President for Manufacturing at the company's assembly plant in Canton, Mississippi. Fallon will succeed Eric Fields, who will be transitioning out of the role as Rivian's manufacturing VP. Fields was also a Nissan veteran before joining Rivian. He served as Rivian's manufacturing VP for about 16 months. Rivian appreciates the warmth and leadership he brought to the factory floor and wishes him well in his next venture, the company said of Fields. Rivian is making its electric trucks, vans, and SUVs in Normal, where it has over 4,400 workers and is already McLean County's third largest employer. Vehicle production began in September, though the ramp-up has proceeded more slowly than expected. Rivian said in mid-December that it had produced 652 R1 vehicles, which will mostly be R1T trucks since production began. Rivian, like many other automakers, has faced disruptions caused by global supply chain issues. There have also been other distractions, such as a vehicle catching fire inside the plant as reported in our previous video. Rivian paused production in Normal in early January for fixes and process improvements, Bloomberg reported, but then was able to increase output to almost 200 vehicles per week. Rivian is expected to share more details about its production progress during its March quarter earnings report. Now onto our last headline for the week. Rivian gets a shoutout from President Biden. President Joe Biden on Tuesday gave Rivian a shoutout as his administration spends the week talking up federal investments in electric vehicles. The Rivian name drop came Tuesday as Biden helped announce the launch of a new EV charger manufacturing facility in Tennessee. The White House has pledged $7.5 billion from the infrastructure law to go toward improving and increasing the national EV charging network. Since 2021, companies have announced investments totaling more than $200 billion in domestic manufacturing here in America, from iconic companies like GM and Ford building out new electric vehicle production, to Tesla, our nation's largest electric vehicle manufacturer, to innovative younger companies like Rivian, building electric trucks, or Proterra, building electric buses, which I saw at a virtual tour last year when I met with the CEO virtually. And they really impressed me, Biden said. Biden added, "We're seeing the beginnings of an American manufacturing comeback. This is not hyperbole. This is real. This is genuine. This is real." Later this week, the Biden administration is expected to announce state allocations and guidance for the infrastructure bill's electric vehicle infrastructure formula program, which will provide $5 billion over 5 years to help states create a network of EV charging stations along designated alternative fuel corridors on the interstate highway system. Biden's Build Back Better package, which has stalled in Congress, would invest even more in EVs. Transportation Secretary Pete Buttigieg is also expected to visit Bloomington Normal on Saturday to highlight, among other things, the new EV Rural Charging Toolkit, which is a one-stop resource for rural communities to plan and implement EV charging infrastructure projects. Thanks for watching this Rivian News Roundup, and again, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content like this one coming in the future. See you later.